Imagine you're logging into your bank account on public Wi-Fi. You enter your username, you enter your password. But what if someone sitting nearby could read everything you type? A few years ago, this was much easier than you might think. The difference between that nightmare and a secure connection often comes down to just four letters: HTTP versus HTTPS. Today, I will show you exactly what they are. Every time you visit a website, your browser and the website needs a way to communicate. That communication happens using a protocol called HTTP. But HTTP has one major problem. It sends information in plain text. That's where HTTPS comes in. HTTPS is the secure version of HTTP, and it's what protects your passwords, messages, and payment information from being easily intercepted. What is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Think of it as a language that your browser and a web server use to talk to each other. When you type a website address and press enter, your browser sends a request to the server. The server responds with the web page data. Then what is the problem? With plain HTTP, that data is not encrypted. Anyone who can intercept the traffic may be able to read it. What is HTTPS? HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It works just like HTTP but adds an extra layer of security using SSL or TLS encryption. Before data is exchanged, your browser and the server establish a secure encrypted connection. Now, even if someone intercepts the traffic, they won't be able to understand the information because it is scrambled into unreadable ciphertext. So let's discuss real-world example. Imagine sending a postcard through the mail. Anyone handling it can read the message. That's HTTP. Now imagine placing the message inside a locked box that only the recipient can open. That's HTTPS. The message still travels across the network, but nobody else can understand it. Why HTTPS matters? HTTPS protects passwords, credit card details, personal information, login sessions, messages. Without HTTPS, attackers can potentially steal sensitive data or modify website content during transmission. How to know if a website uses HTTPS? Look at the address bar. If the URL starts with HTTPS and shows a lock icon, the connection is encrypted. If it only shows HTTP, the connection is not secure. So here's the simple difference. HTTP transfers data, HTTPS transfers data securely. The next time you visit a website, take a look at the address bar. That tiny lock icon is doing a lot more work than most people realize.